What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Growing with the Garners. Today, guys, we got a special video. It's my girl birthday. It's my girl birthday. It's a girls' trip out today. We going on a boat party, so get ready, cause we made it out the group chat. And no one's on. Alright, we doing alright. It's a little rainy, but it ain't. Let's go. Thank you. Yeah, open it. It's just a snack box. It's not like. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I did. Ain't they double stuff? Come on. Yeah. Okay. Make all the Oreos. Come on. Double stuff. Yeah, you got a cake. Yeah. It's a cookie cake. It say happy birthday. Yes, ma'am. Happy birthday, Bria. Happy birthday. Period, L.
Daniela, back there.
And yellow.
And yellow. My bad. I've been saying Daniela.
I said the same thing. Yesterday I said Daniela.
Daniela.
Hey, y'all. Y'all cute. It's a vibe.
Y'all cute. I love it. Every time I do WWE wrestling, I make my character. I always use that color all the time.
The
with the same, even
the rose gold is so
leather,
cute.
Like the little,
Everybody's so cute.
My other one didn't fit right, so this was like a blood.
Welcome. Ooh, in the marina. That marina.
The marina.
No fishing or swimming from docks.
Yeah, tell me. I do see the fish though.
Oh, I do see the fish. Look at the fish, y'all. You see that fish? Yeah. And the girlies down there, y'all. The girlies is down there. I got the cake. Si, señorita. The mayfly. Oh, we on this one. Toninos.
Yes, please. Yes. Over there.
We get a doggy. We get a doggy. How special is that?
Get on off my dog. Thank you.
Now we get a doggy on there. Oh, they got the NBA one. That's a big one. See, Sarina. Oh, I see one. They over there.
Oh, okay.
They over there. They literally right over there. They just trying to hide. They trying to hide, but I see them. I can speak dolphin. Y'all ready? So type. My God, that was a good one. Yes. Hi, dolphin. Oh, they coming, they coming. Hi, dolphins. Oh, look at him. They over there too. They all over.
Made a whole circle around all this.
They did. They did. Not the. Y'all get up out there.
There was one right there. They might be alright over here. Oh, look, they are down there.
Oh, there they are. Whoa. That's a good video. I can speak dolphin. They over here though. I be doing it. Look at this.
Look how little they are.
They're so teeny. These are so cute. I know. Do some flips or something. Like, no. Those are circus ones, okay? They don't. They're so cute. I love it. They're my friends. They're my friends, y'all. They're friends. Oh, they're so cute. They leaving. They said bye, y'all. We did enough.
They all in the line.
I know.
They go.
Bye, dolphins. It don't matter if you train or not. You can't leave. Hey, look at all the mountains. You're so beautiful. Hey, doggy.
Oh, the dog.
Oh, you on the sea. You used to it, huh?
The captain of the boat.
Y'all know I would be in the water if I could be Garner fan, but I can't. And this one, being real mean about it. Won't let me get in the daggone water. So I got my feet in. Close as I'm getting. That's sad. It's not a life to live, man. Not a life to live. And then look at them, being models. Y'all cute.
But now you got, there you go.
Turn
the other way.
Oh, you better eat that watermelon. Yeah. On Vogue magazine.
Bite. And then you gotta like relax. I can't relax. Y'all watch
I can't relax. Y'all watching me. We got the other ones over here. We got the people directing us, so.
Now you can get comfortable.
You don't have to actually act like you're eating it, but you act like it's kind of close to your mouth. And then look the other way, and only put your mouth on it a little bit.
They really directing.
Relax, girl. Relax that neck.
Just look the other way.
Take
Look
a
like
nibble.
you're looking up in
Like you
the
nibble.
ocean.
I'm hearing loud people.
Literally.
They just want you to nibble, not actually take a bite.
Bria, look towards the sun. The sun. This way. Sun.
The sun, better.
This y'all just keep saying, yeah, relax your neck.
Relax, girl.
They're trying meddling with you.
Just get natural.
Literally. I ain't even getting that appetizer.
Oh, you definitely didn't get the appetizer.
Why they give me one big old broccoli? Why they give me one? We out of here, y'all. We out of here. We leaving TGI Fridays. We going home.